Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your go-to channel for everything related to motorcycles and scooters. Today we're diving into the fascinating story of the Honda Super Cub, a scooter that's not just a mode of transportation but a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and timeless design. Join us as we explore how this two-wheeler changed the motorcycle industry and became one of the most beloved vehicles across the globe. The birth of the Honda Super Cub. It all started in 1958, when Honda introduced the world to the Super Cub. Post-war Japan was in need of an affordable, reliable means of transportation, and Honda's co-founders, Soichiro Honda and Taiko Fujisawa, recognized this opportunity. They wanted to create something simple, economical, and durable, yet stylish enough for everyday commuters. The result? The Honda Super Cub, an underbone motorcycle with a 50cc engine that captured the hearts of riders everywhere. A revolutionary design. What made the Super Cub stand out from the rest was its unique design. Unlike most motorcycles at the time, it featured a step-through frame, allowing riders to easily hop on and off. This low seat height and ease of use made it incredibly popular, especially among women and less experienced riders. Its semi-automatic transmission was another breakthrough, eliminating the need for a clutch lever. Riders only had to shift gears with their foot, making it accessible to a wider audience. This practical yet innovative design allowed Honda to reach not just seasoned motorcyclists, but also everyday people looking for affordable and reliable transportation. Marketing genius: you meet the nicest people on a Honda. A major reason behind the Super Cub's success wasn't just its design, it was also Honda's marketing strategy. In 1963, Honda launched the iconic advertising campaign with the tagline, "You meet the nicest people on a Honda." This changed the perception of motorcycles in America. Until then, motorcycles were associated with rebellious, rough-and-tumble imagery. Honda turned that around by showcasing everyday people, from students to families, happily riding the Super Cub. This approach worked wonders, especially in the United States, helping Honda break into the American market and create a new generation of riders. Performance and reliability built to last. The Super Cub's durability is legendary. Its small, air-cooled, four-stroke engine was designed for efficiency and ease of maintenance. Riders could count on the Super Cub to start every time and run for miles with minimal upkeep. This reliability made it the go-to vehicle in countries across Asia, where rugged terrain and long distances made dependable transportation a necessity. Legacy and modern versions. Even after more than 6 decades, the Honda Super Cub continues to thrive. Modern versions of the Super Cub are now available, blending its classic design with modern technology. Riders today can enjoy features like LED lighting, disc brakes, and digital displays while still experiencing the same essence that made the original Super Cub a hit. In 2018, Honda released a new Super Cub C125 to celebrate its 60th anniversary, paying homage to the original while meeting modern standards. It's a clear sign that the Super Cub, though over 60 years old, still has a firm place in the hearts of riders worldwide. Conclusion: the Honda Super Cub's enduring appeal. The Honda Super Cub is more than just a scooter, it's a symbol of Honda's commitment to creating innovative, reliable, and accessible vehicles. From its revolutionary design to its legendary durability and global impact, the Super Cub has forever changed the world of motorcycles. And even today, it continues to evolve, proving that great design is truly timeless. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Honda Super Cub, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle insights. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.